In this video, we're going to talk about ticket priorities, where to configure them, and how to configure email alerts based on these priorities. You can find them in Setup, under Tickets, Priority Types, and Alerts. There are 4 priority types that are defined by default in Web Help Desk, all with different due times. They are Urgent, High, Medium, and Low. You can add your own priority if you like, or change the due time setting in accordance with your organization's service level agreement. In this example, you can see that I've created a critical priority type. Let's create a new priority to give you an idea of what it looks like. I'll click New to get started. In the Name field, I'll name this priority Very Low. I want this type to be the lowest ticket priority level, so I'll accept the default display order of 6. If I was creating a critical priority, I would change the display order to 1 so it appears first in the list. I'd like to use this new priority for software upgrade requests. This task requires different individuals and teams to complete different tasks. I'll need approval from the IT director to order the software, approval from the finance team to purchase the software, and approval from the IT software team to test the software for bugs before it's installed on the client's server or workstation. This will take some time, so I'll set the due time to 2 weeks. The due time is the amount of time tickets with this priority will be due. You can override the due time for an individual ticket in the ticket detail page. When you're done, click Save. Notice that after clicking Save, we can now configure alerts for this priority. You can send reminders to your techs and clients when a ticket is not processed in a certain amount of time. This is where alerts come in handy. Alerts are a great way to keep everyone involved on track so the ticket service level agreements are met. As you can see, Web Help Desk includes 3 alert levels, with level 3 as the highest severity. The Not Completed condition is considered more important than Not Updated, which is more important than Not Assigned. When all alert conditions are met, Web Help Desk uses the highest severity condition and triggers an alert matching that severity. I'm sure that 1 alert level is sufficient for many organizations. However, the additional levels are designed to accommodate organizations with very complex service level agreements. This allows you to alert more and more people if the ticket is not assigned, updated, or completed within a certain amount of time. Some service level agreements require a response from your team within a certain amount of time. If you also have a requirement that the issue must be resolved within, say, 48 hours, you can set up a level 2 that addresses the completed parameter. If your requirements are not that complex and you just want to be alerted if a ticket sits too long, 1 level is usually enough. Alerts are linked to the status of a ticket, so to complete the alert setup, we need to enable alerts on a given status type. To set up this configuration, we'll go up here to Status Types in the menu. We only want alerts enabled for tickets in the Open status, so click Open, ensure Alerts Enabled is selected, and click Save. To demonstrate what this would look like in action, let's go back to Priority Types and Alerts and select Urgent. On Alert Level 3, ensure Not Completed is set to 0 hours after creation. Set Alert Repeat Interval to 1 business day and save my changes. Now, navigate over to Tickets across the top and create a new ticket with an urgent priority. Set the due date to today at 1 a.m. so we can immediately see the alert in action. When you save the ticket, you'll have an alert display across the top.